Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video where we translate Reddit posts. Since we are in the days of the big protest happening in Tirana, Albania, I found a very good Reddit post that explains why this protest will not go in vain. So the title of it is "For those that say we're not gaining anything with the protests." We will go line by line. It's quite a long one, so in this video, we won't go into other comments, okay? We will just translate this very well thought out post. So let's start. Për ata që thonë s'po fitojmë asgjë me protestat. For those that say we're not gaining anything with the protests. Shumë veta komentojnë nëpër rrjete sociale, madje edhe këtu, që ne nuk zgjidhim asgjë me protestat paqësore dhe duhet përshkallëzim. Many people comment around social media, even here also, that we don't solve anything with the peaceful protests and it is needed escalation. Përshkallëzim. Escalation. Nuk po ju kundërshtoj, por vetëm dua t'ju numëroj pak fitoret e kësaj proteste deri tani. I'm not opposing you, but I only want to list or number a little, count a little the victories of this protest until now. Një. Number 1. Nxorëm lakuriq gjithë sistemin. Nxorëm lakuriq comes from the expression nxjerr lakuriq, to reveal or figure one out completely. It literally means to bring out naked, lakuriq, naked. So to figure one out completely as it is. So we figured the whole system out naked, completely. PD, PS, Partia Demokratike, Partia Socialiste, so the Democratic Party, the Socialist Party, dolën hapur që janë bashk dhe kanë qenë gjithmonë kundër popullit të thjesht dhe lufta që ata bëjnë është vetëm një mask e madhe. So the Democratic Party and the Socialist Party came out openly, so open that they are together and have been always against the simple people, and that the war that they do is only a big mask. Number 2. Nxorëm jashtë loje mediat mainstream. We took out of the game the mainstream media. Mediat dolën hapur fare që janë vetëm argat të sistemit dhe nuk pasqyrojnë të vërtetën, por interesat e tyre partijake. So, the media came out openly, completely open, that they are only argat or puntor, that they're only workers. In this case, it's used more like enslaved to the system, and they do not mirror the truth, but only their party interests. 3. Kemi dëmtuar seriozisht opozitën fake të Berishës. We have damaged seriously the fake opposition of Berisha, Sali Berisha, the leader of the Democratic Party, which is the opposition. Shumë nga partia e tij e kanë kapur filmin, edhe pse nuk heqin dot dorë direkt nga ai, kanë kuptuar se ai është gati t'i shes në çdo moment për pazare me pushtetin, sepse në fakt është vetë pjesë e pushtetit. So many from his party have cut the film, have cut the movie. It means they've realized that even though they cannot give up directly from him, they have understood or realized that he is ready to sell them in any moment for pazare, for business, for dealing with the power, pushtetin, because in fact he himself is part of the power. 4. I kemi shkaktuar një tmerr të madh Edi Ramës dhe patronazhistëve të tij për 2 javë. We have caused a big terror to Edi Rama and his supporters, patronazhistëve, for 2 weeks. Patronagist, though, it's a term that is used derogatorily here, and it is used for those supporters of the Socialist Party that are actively engaging to get more supporters for the Socialist Party, and to, they're the ones commenting on every social media, like, good job, Prime Minister, etc. So, e detyruam të dalë dhe të mbledh njerëz me zor në përsheshet e Shqipërisë, për të ruajtur pushtetin e bythës së vet. We forced him, e detyruam, we obligated him, literally. So we forced him to come out and to gather people me zor, forcingly. Sometimes it could also mean barely. So to gather people forcefully around the squares of Albania in order to keep the power of his own butt. Fati I tij politik ka filluar të pësoj pasiguri. His political fate has started to suffer insecurity. Okay? Number 5. Kemi demaskuar ambasadën amerikane dhe bashkimin europian që për hir të stabilitetit që ju intereson atyre, janë të gatshme të bëjnë pazare me Edi Ramën, madje t'i heqin edhe sanksione liderit të opozitës fake. We have demasked, literally, we've taken the mask off, we've torn the mask off, the American embassy and the European Union, that for the sake of stability that interests them, they are ready, or janë të gatshëm, to be ready or willing, so they are willing to do business or to bargain with Edi Rama, even to remove also sanctions to the leader of the fake opposition. This is about the news that the non grata status of Sali Berisha in the US has been taken away, and so that's what this comment refers to. Numri 6, number 6. Kemi detyruar të futet në lëvizje SPAK-u. We have forced for SPAK to enter into movement. SPAK is the Special Anti-Corruption Organization in Albania, so we have forced or obligated SPAK to enter in movement, to start moving. Si duket, SPAK-u veproka me dorë të hekurt vetëm kur besimi tek perëndimi fillon lëkundet, sepse kur është paqe dhe s'ka trazira, bën ca shfaqje teatrale me urdhra arresti dhe peshqit e mëdhenj si Belinda ngelin të paprekur. Okay, so si duket, as it seems, or that's what it literally means, as it seems, but apparently, SPAK veproka, it's written in slang, but vepruaka is the correct form of the verb, in mënyra habitore, in the surprising mood, it acts. So apparently SPAK acts, but this is not just vepron, it acts indicating, but it is in a surprising mood. So apparently it acts with an iron fist or an iron hand, we say, only when the faith in the West starts to shake. Because when it is peace and there is no trouble, it does some theatrical shows with arrest orders, and the big fish like Belinda Baluku, which is being investigated for a lot of corruption, which is one of the main figures of the Socialist Party, remain untouched. Ngelin të paprekur remain untouched. Numri 7, number 7. Kemi arritur, just a typo there, kemi arritur të krijojmë pakënaqësi brenda të dyja partive të mëdha. We have achieved to create displeasure, or we've been able to create displeasure within both big parties. 3 eksponent nga PS po bëjnë thirrje për një të majt të re jashtë Edi Ramas. 3 exponents from Partia Socialista, the Socialist Party, are bëjnë thirrje, are doing calls, so are calling for a new left outside of Edi Rama. Para këtyre ditëve, kjo as nuk mund të imagjinohej. Before these days, this couldn't even be imagined. Number 8, kemi krijuar një precedent shumë të bukur të papar më herët me pseudovipat. We have created a very beautiful precedent unseen before with pseudo VIPs. Ju kemi treguar që në qoftë se nuk reagojnë për interesat tona, nuk do të marrim para, nuk do të marrin actually it's a typo, nuk do të marrin më para dhe fuqi nga ne. So we have shown them that if në qoftë se, literally in being that, në qoftë se, qoft is the mënyra dëshirore, the wishing mood of the verb jam, may it be, would be in English, but we have the form of the verb that changes completely from jam to qoft, may it be. So, në qoftë se, if they don't react, let's do it from the beginning. We have shown them that if they don't react for our interests, they will not receive any more money and power from us. Bojkotimi funksionoka, or bojkotimi funksionuaka. So the boycott works, but again, mënyra habitore, like vepruaka, funksionuaka, surprising mood, it works. Number 9, numri 9. Ju kemi ringjallur shpresën atyre që e kishin humbur, që mendonin se ky vend ka marrë fund. We have revived the hope to those that had lost it, that thought that this place has received its end, has gone. This place is lost, ka marrë fund. Janë reaktivizuar atdhetarët, ata që ja duan të mirën këtij vendi. Nationalists have been reactivated, meaning Adve comes from fatherland, at, father, the old Albanian word for father, and ve is literally soil or land. So Adve, fatherland, advetar, someone of the fatherland. In this case, it's used for nationalists, or those that love the country. So those that love the fatherland have activated themselves again, have become active. Ata që ja duan të mirën këtij vendi, those that want the good of this place. Kanë marrë forcë nga ne dhe po flasin dhe mbajnë qëndrime. They have received strength from us and are speaking and holding attitudes or are keeping a stand. Qëndrime. Qëndrim is literally a stand, could also mean attitude. Numri 10, number 10. And the last point. Kemi rilindur në zemrat e emigrantëve dëshirën për të kthyer përsëri kokën nga vendi I tyre që u detyruan ta lënë, kanë kuptuar. That's another sentence. So we have reborn the hearts of the immigrants, in the hearts of the immigrants, the desire to turn again their head towards their place that they were obliged to leave, that they were forced to leave. Kanë kuptuar se këtu nuk janë të gjithë që I sulmojnë, pse kanë lënë vendin e tyre, por ka edhe nga ata që ja kuptojnë hallin dhe dhimbjen. They have understood that here there are not all that attack them why they've left their country, but there are also of those that understand their problem and pain. Dhimbjen, pain. Personalisht më kanë marrë në telefon 3 familjar dhe më kanë thënë, ju lutem mos ndaloni se jeni në drejtimin e duhur. Personally, 3 family people, 3 relatives have called me and have told me, please do not stop because you are in the right direction. Më kanë prekur thellë. They have touched me deeply. Thellë, deeply. Në këto pak ditë, më është kthyer buzëqeshja sërish. In these few days, the smile has come back to me again. Besomeni apo jo, para kësaj që ndodhi, nuk kishte ditë që s'mendoja si të ikja nga ky vend ku të gjeja diçka jashtë, por tani kuptova që nëse rrim dhe luftojmë bashk, asgjë nuk qenka e pamundur. Believe me or not, before this that happened, që ndodhi, happened, nuk kishte, there was not one day that I didn't think how to leave from this place, where to find something abroad. Jashtë, literally outside, in this case used for abroad, But now I understood or realized that if we stay and fight together, nothing is impossible. Qenka is the manura habitore, the surprising mood of the verb jam. So it is, but I'm surprised that nothing is impossible. Jam djal dhe kam kuptuar që femrat shqiptare qenkan vërtet më të mirat në botë. I am a boy and I've understood that Albanian women truly are the best in the world. Again, qenkan, he is surprised. He has discovered this. They truly are the best in the world. So it's the surprising mood. Burnesha të vërteta. Now, burnesha literally means strong women. You know, the root word is bur, which means a man. Historically, it was used for women who were widowed and other women that they could have been widowed or not. They were living mostly alone or only with their children, and they fought in wars just like men. They also were listened to their opinion in big gatherings sometimes, and they were actually given a place and title of honor in society. They were truly strong. They were like a replacement of these brave men that would go to war. But because of circumstances, if the man was in blood feud, the woman would actually these women were burnesha. They were very strong women who had to be out there in the harshness of life, you know, in the mountains and all that. Well, anyways, burnesha të vërteta, when I see, kur I shoh me fëmijë në krah dhe me flamur në kurriz, gati sa s'më dalin lot. When I see them with children in their arms and with the flag on their back, gati sa, almost, tears come out of me. Gati sa s'më dalin lot, almost don't come out tears to me. It's weird to translate it word for word, but I get teary, basically. Ma kanë ndryshuar krejt mendimin që kisha për to. They have completely changed my thought that I had for them. Kam menduar se shohin vetëm Big Brother dhe përputhen dhe s'ju ndjen qa bëhet. I have thought that they only watch Big Brother and përputhen, which is another mainstream show on Top Channel, and they don't care about what happens. S'ju ndjen, they don't care. Literally, it is not felt to them. Konkretizohet apo jo, kjo lëvizje dëm sistemit I ka bërë. Whether it is concreted or not, so whether it achieves something or not, this movement damage to the system has done. Okay? Now the word order is different because in Albanian, word order doesn't matter so much for it to make sense, but it matters for it to emphasize. So they're emphasizing that this movement damage to the system it has made. So it has made a lot of damage to the system. Nëse punojmë fort çdo ditë, mund të ndodh dhe mrekullia dhe t'i heqim shushunjat. If we work hard every day, the miracle also can happen, mund të ndodh, can happen, and we remove the leeches, shushunjat, the leeches. Ju falenderoj të gjithëve që jeni aty, jeni njerëzit më të mirë në botë. I thank you all that are there. You are the best people in the world. Ju du të gjithëve pa përjashtim. I love you all without exclusion. All of them. I love this first comment, so we're going to translate it. Kryesoria vdiq frika. The main one, literally, so the main thing, fear died. Vdiq frika. And with that, I will leave you to rewatch this again, to listen to it, and there's a lot of vocabulary here. Hopefully you can make a good list for your personal study, and I'll see you in our next video. Stay tuned!